Let me ask you guys a riddle. Which is the snack mostly consumed during night? Let me give you another hint. It is prepared in 2 minutes. Now most people will be able to guess. It is our all-time favorite, Maggie. Maggie is not just a snack, but an emotion for most of the Indian households. Maggie, a Swedish product known for its instant noodles, was launched in India in 1983. It had been the best-selling product for instant noodles in India for over 30 years, which takes only 2 minutes to cook. Due to its authentic taste, price, and easy to cook, Maggie has acquired 60% stake in Indian market, leading to popularity of its product like masala, atta, and cup noodles. But do you know who is the parent company of the Maggie? It is Nestle. Nestle, a Swedish brand, was incorporated in 1866 by Julius Maggie. It was initially launched to cater the needs of baby milk for mothers who were unable to breastfeed, but later the brand launched other products such as Maggie noodles, Cafe Coffee Day, and Kit Kat. Do you know what were the reasons for the popularity of Maggie in India? It was their digital marketing campaigns. The digital marketing campaigns has played a great role in making Maggie a popular household name and delivering brand message to various consumers. So let's delve into the various digital marketing campaigns held by Maggie brand. The most famous digital marketing campaign launched by Maggie in 2015 was We Miss You Too, in which excessive amount of lead content were being found in Maggie noodles, because of which Maggie reputation was tarnished. In order to improve their image, Maggie launched We Miss You Too campaign, in which there were hashtags like Maggie safe थी safe है were being surfaced all over the internet, which improved Maggie image in eyes of consumers. Mood Bana Dost Joda was another popular digital marketing campaign by Maggie in 2019, in which various WhatsApp stickers, Instagram filters, and friendship-based social videos related to friendship were surfaced on social media, which became popular among college students. Me and Mary was also one of the most effective campaign by Maggie, as it allowed the various consumers to share the story and experience with Maggie across various social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. The goal is to promote user-generated content and promote Maggie through word of mouth. There were also various series on YouTube which were showcasing chef-led quick recipes using Maggie noodles. Focused towards idea and occasion, the series presented Maggie as tasty and versatile snack. There was also another digital marketing campaign by Maggie in 2020 when it launched its noodle in 3 different varieties of taste, mainly Chatpata tomato, Desi cheesy, and yummy capsicum, which allowed consumers to vote their favorite flavor. A recent campaign being launched by Maggie brand is Khao To Maggie Noodles Khao in February 2023, where various individuals from various districts in UP and Bihar, including Ghazipur, Jaunpur, Nalanda, and Nevada, share their personal experience that how Maggie noodles have brought quality and enjoyment into their lives for decades. These were some of the digital campaigns being conducted by Maggie to increase consumer base and loyalty. Moreover, there is a popular saying that brand which is not using humor in marketing is lagging behind. Maggie is a brand which understands the value of humor and use memes in their marketing. Maggie engages in variety of memes to engage and excite their consumers. Maggie also promoted its product through various celebrities endorsement like Amitabh Bachchan, Madhuri Dixit, and Preeti Zinta, and sports person like Rishabh Pant, which helped Maggie in building the trust among its audience. Maggie various innovative and effective strategies has played a great role in making Maggie a popular brand among Indian household and helping it acquire 60% stake in instant noodles.